Hi guys, this is Lakshit here from Mahavir Agencies Chennai. இன்னைக்கு கும்பகோணம்ல இருந்து ஒரு Baleno வண்டி வந்திருக்கு for complete base to top interior and exterior upgrade. So வாங்க பார்க்கலாம் என்னென்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம். First exterior upgrade பாத்தீங்கன்னா we have installed Maruti genuine parts ல வருது auto folding mirror with indicator lights which can be easily controlled by the switches given in the panel trim. To focus on the minimalistic detailing of the exterior of this car, we have also added side vents which provides a proper aesthetic look for your car. To give this car a top-end finish from the exterior, we have also added lower garnish as well, which comes in chrome finish too. Coming to the rear profile of this car, we have installed C-Track brand lever the bumper, which ensures safety and endurance to your car. We have done the smallest upgrade with much benefits in the trunk as well. We have installed Maruti genuine parts lever the boot light as well. Jumping to the interior upgrade, first upgrade we have installed Maruti genuine parts lever the top end steering with leather wrap and chrome finish too, which comes with complete audio controls and cruise controls. Next, a mandatory upgrade in every Baleno, Fronx, Taser, Glanza, which we recommend to our customers is OEM armrest with rear AC activation too. Next upgrade this is a minimalistic upgrade which ensures your night visibility in your car, where we have installed OEM roof light as well. To focus on the minimalistic detailing of this car in OEM parts, we have installed gear knob as well, which comes in mid variants or top variants in a manual car too. To ensure that there is factory finished detailing in this car, we have installed Maruti genuine parts lever the tweeter sash as well, which ensures that there is complete and neat fitment in your car. For next upgrade is that we have installed inner door handle chromes in this car, which gives you a proper top-end finish. Every base model Baleno comes without a height adjuster, which gives every customer a problem of road visibility. But here at Mahavir, we have provided a solution for this, where we have installed height seat adjuster in your car, where you can adjust your height, your seat preferences according to your taste. First electrification upgrade we have installed Blaupunkt brand lever the Palm Bay 1000, which comes with 2 GB RAM, 32 GB storage, and comes with 1 year warranty. And in add-on, we have installed Casca brand lever the 360 kit as well, because it comes with Sony lens camera and gives you a beautiful view when you're driving. For next for audio upgrades, we have installed Sony lever the XS series what a coaxial install because the customer's usage was very minimalistic. That is why we have installed basic speakers. Now we are jumping on to the interior upgrades, where we have covered dashboard, door pads, and we have also installed floor mats too. So check this out guys. So for dashboard upholstery we have done it in complete black in color and provided a race line red color stitch in this car, which gives you a proper sporty finish too. And same with the door pads, where we have covered the armrest and the upper pile of the door pads too. To match the aesthetics of this car's interior, we have also ensured to install the floor mat as well, which comes in Autotec brand, full black and red stitches as well. For such more professional and sophisticated upgrade with guided approach, get in touch with us.